In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Bluetooth right away. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one you wish to connect to. Tap on Allow to access your contacts and call history over here, and then select Pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this gear right next to connected device and hit Forget next to connect. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!